Is your garden soil dry, dead, and lifeless? You might be throwing away the solution every time you clean your fireplace. Let me show you the magic of wood ash. Wood ash is what's left after burning untreated wood. But it's not trash. It's a natural mineral booster for your soil. It contains potassium for growth, calcium to balance pH, magnesium to help photosynthesis, and even phosphorus. Think of it like a vitamin bottle for your soil. If your soil's too acidic, wood ash can turn things around fast. It's ideal for veggie gardens, lawns, and compost piles. Here's how to apply it the right way. Step 1, sift. Step 2, sprinkle lightly. Step 3, mix. And Step 4, water it in. Don't overdo it. Just 1 cup per square yard. Ash can also power up your compost. It neutralizes odors, adds minerals, and speeds things up. But remember, keep it under 5%. Never use ash from painted or treated wood. And don't use it around blueberries, azaleas, or other acid-loving plants. Just weeks after applying, you'll see greener leaves, stronger roots, and vibrant growth. Recap, test your soil, apply lightly, avoid acid lovers, boost compost, and revive your garden naturally.